Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. B.K. Garg. I'm plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram at Iconic Clinic. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the 10 most important questions you must ask your surgeon or your clinic if you are considering to undergo liposuction procedure. First question is, who is your surgeon? It is important to understand that this procedure must be performed by a board qualified plastic and cosmetic surgeon. Second question is, will you get to meet your plastic and cosmetic surgeon before the surgery for detailed preoperative consultation? It is important to understand that preoperative evaluation and discussion with your surgeon is important to set right kind of expectations. Third question is, how much experience your plastic and cosmetic surgeon has in performing liposuction or body contouring procedures. It is important that liposuction and body contouring procedures are performed by experienced cosmetic surgeon who has right aesthetic sense and right kind of training for this procedure. Fourth question you should ask is whether your surgery will be performed in safe facility which is fully equipped to handle any untoward incident. Please refrain or please try to avoid places where this procedure is performed in a very casual manner, in shabby or unhygienic and unsafe setup. This can be very risky, it can compromise your results, and apart from that, more importantly, it can compromise your safety and put you at great risk. This is a cosmetic procedure which must be performed in safe and hygienic setup. Fifth question you should ask is what kind of results to expect for a particular liposuction procedure in your case. This can only be answered by a qualified plastic and cosmetic surgeon during your pre-surgery consultation. At Iconic, I like to personally see all my patients before surgery and set their expectations right. Sixth question you should ask is how this procedure will be performed and what exactly is the recovery time for this particular procedure. This usually varies from area of body where liposuction is performed or how many areas are being targeted at one go. Your plastic and cosmetic surgeon can answer that once he is having discussion with you during pre-surgery consultation. Seventh question you should ask your plastic surgeon is what all kind of areas can be treated in one go, or whether he or she is comfortable treating multiple areas, or whether it is safe for you to treat multiple areas in one go. This is important for you to know that if you request to do too many areas in one go, you may be compromising on safety. Although this procedure is commonly performed in 1 to 2 areas at the same time, but trying to perform liposuction on multiple areas in one go can compromise on the safety of the procedure. Eighth question you should ask your plastic and cosmetic surgeon is whether it is possible in your case to combine this procedure with other cosmetic procedures. Answer is yes, most of the times it can be combined with other procedures like breast fat grafting or tummy tuck, or maybe multiple areas for liposuction can be managed in one go. It can also be combined with sometimes with breast lift or breast reduction procedure. You must ask your plastic surgeon whether it is safe to do this in your case. He or she will be able to answer that correctly. Ninth question you should ask your plastic and cosmetic surgeon before undergoing liposuction procedure is that what kind of follow-up is required post-procedure. Sometimes you may need to come to clinic for follow-up at 1 week and again at 3 weeks. So it is important that depending on the technique being used and depending on the area being treated, how many times you need to come to clinic for follow-up. You should not miss on your scheduled follow-up for best possible outcome. 10th and maybe the most important thing you should ask your plastic and cosmetic surgeon is whether he or she is going to advise you on lifestyle modification post-procedure. At Iconic Clinic, we advise all our patients post-liposuction regarding diet and exercise and other lifestyle modifications so that your results are maintained for years to come. Thank you very much.